What's good, guys? So let's do a trade recap of a trade I caught on my funded account. It was the first trade. I risked 112 and I made 310, which is a 2.8 hour trade. So it's this one. So I looked for a daily high. I went on the daily time frame and I found a daily high which I targeted. So it wasn't reached, but there's we have two liquidity points. So I have this daily high which will be reached in some time to come, and there is this equilibrium of this midpoint. And when I go to the 5-minute where I took the trade, I entered right on the retest on order block on the 1 minute. So you can see that here we were pushing quite good, and I entered the trade as soon as we reacted on the 1 minute. So on the order block, so we had this order block right here. You can see we never broke past it, this one from here to here. So we pushed higher after creating this order block, then we dropped into it, and then that's when I entered the trade. And this trade took 45 minutes, so it was a good one. And I think one of the things I learned from this is that never look at the charts. As long as you have set your stop loss, as long as you have set your TP, never look at the charts. Well, basically the way I do it, I set the stop loss manually on MetaTrader, then I set the TP on NAS100, on TradingView, so I can have an alert there. So, and then I look on MetaTrader or on TradingView. If I see that there's a possible continuation, I take pressures. If I see that it's showing signs of reversal, I take all of them. So that's basically what I learned from this trade. Another thing I learned is don't risk small, like take a reasonable risk, like maybe 2 to 2.5%, because risking 0.5 on phases will take even more longer and will frustrate you over the long term. So that's what I learned for today. And another thing is spend less time on the charts. So today I spent the least time I could on the charts, and it worked out, guys. So I find an entry, I take it. If I don't find one, I don't. Then make it as simple as that. So I guess that was all for the trade recap, and I'll keep posting more until we meet again. Lord willing, be safe.